In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users and manage permissions in Databox. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right level of access for each teammate, so your workspace stays both collaborative and secure. First, sign in to your Databox Analytics account. Once you're in, head to the Account area and open the Users section. This brings you to the User Management page, which is your hub for seeing everyone who has access to your account and for controlling what they can do. If you don't see the Users option, you may not have the permission to manage users in your organization, so check with an account admin before proceeding. On the User Management page, you'll see a list of current users along with their roles. This is helpful for understanding who has access to what, and it's also where you'll invite new people. To add someone, click the New User or Invite User button. A prompt will appear asking for the email address of the person you want to invite. Enter the email they'll use to log in. It's important that this is an email they actively check, since their invitation will be sent there and they'll need it to complete access. Next, select a user role. Roles determine what a person can view and change in your Databox account. Think about the kind of work this person needs to do. Some people require broad access to create, edit, and manage settings, while others only need to view dashboards and reports. Choose the role that matches the lowest level of access they need to do their job effectively. You can adjust a user's role later if responsibilities change, so it's better to start conservatively and scale up as needed. When you've entered the email and chosen the appropriate role, click Invite User. Databox will send an invitation to that email address. Back on the User Management page, you'll be able to see that the invite is pending until they accept it. After they join, they'll appear alongside your other users, and you can quickly confirm their role or make updates right from that same view. That's all there is to it. Open User Management, invite the person by email, choose the right role, and send the invite. Keeping your user list organized and roles accurate ensures your data remains protected while your team gets the access they need. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit the users page anytime to review who has access and refine permissions as your team evolves.